Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to quickly switch between Siri and ChatGPT in iOS 27 and macOS 27 Golden Gate. Apple has given Siri a major AI focus upgrade in iOS 27 and macOS 27 Golden Gate, introducing a new Siri AI experience designed to handle requests more naturally and intelligently. However, if you prefer using ChatGPT for certain questions or tasks, you don't necessarily have to stick with the new Siri AI. The all new Siri app allows you to switch between the two experiences, giving you greater flexibility over how your requests are handled. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the all new Siri app on your Mac or iOS or iPadOS device. And then you have to long press the text input field and type as. If you are using a Mac, you just need to control click on the text input field and then click as. You will now see an option to change to ChatGPT. Simply choose ChatGPT in the menu and you're all set. It's important to point out that the conversation context does not transfer when you switch chatbot providers. As of now, ChatGPT is set as an alternative in the Siri AI app, whether or not you have the ChatGPT extension enabled in the settings, Siri, and ChatGPT section. So that's how you can easily switch between the new Siri AI and ChatGPT in iOS 27 and macOS 27 Golden Gate on your device. Having the ability to choose between these AI assistants gives you more control over your everyday interactions and lets you use the experience that best suits your needs. You can stick with the new C AI for Apple's integrated features or switch to ChatGPT when you prefer its conversational capabilities and broader AI assistance. Once you know where the setting is located, changing between the two options is quick and pretty straightforward. Now that you've unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.